The crypto market just took another brutal hit. Bitcoin crashed below 89k, and a lot of folks are starting to wonder, is the bear market officially here? Could it even drop below 70k? Honestly, the bear market has been lurking for a while now. We have been in a range for a lot of months, and we are not gaining traction. There is no good news, we have bad news. So I understand that some people are just clinging to hope, refusing to face the truth, the cold hard truth. Me the first, because I'm a holder. So I have hope for my bags. But when you have a look at the current situation, it's hard. Let's analyze that. And quick reminder before we start, you can add me on Telegram if you want to exchange directly with me. I put the link in the description box. So share screen, Bitcoin, let's have a look at that. So Bitcoin broke through our support. We had a support, you see, starting from November, we were ranging, but we broke the support. And we kept sliding past 88k, 87k here. How much? 85,930. Yeah, that's bad. That's a new low. We haven't saw that since November 2024. And the market liquidation are wild too. Billions of dollars wiped in 24 hours, mostly from long positions. Ouch, look at this one. $1 million liquidated from the crypto market in the past 24 hours. Mostly in long positions, we can guess. And it was 11 hours ago. After that, it kept bleeding. I can't even imagine how much it is now. And yeah, looking at the market structure, Bitcoin's turnover rate is dropping. That means fewer people are willing to trade it. And the price is now stuck in a slow downward spiral. At this point, you may be thinking, wait, what about Bitcoin ETFs bringing all that institutional money in? Why isn't that holding the price up? Weren't those supposed to be good news? Why is it crashing so hard when you have countries talking about Bitcoin reserves? The answer is pretty straightforward. Yes, institutional money came in, but it didn't spark enough retail FOMO to keep the fire going. Compared to the DeFi and NFT crazes in the past, these cycles is missing a fresh, exciting story, a fresh narrative. The only thing grabbing attention right now, what is it? Meme coins. But let's be real, meme coins are basically on-chain PvP battles. And with mevbots and others skimming profits off the top, that money is not turning into real growth for the markets. Of course, this crash isn't just crypto's fault. Macroeconomics are a huge piece of the puzzle. Simply put, liquidity is drying up everywhere. People don't have cash to throw around. The Fed's monetary policy is still tight. Rate hikes might have paused, but the market dreams of big rate cuts are not panning out. Plus, the dollar is still flexing at a high level, making it the safe haven everyone runs to. So for a risk-on asset like Bitcoin, it's not a great news. Add the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the debt worries, inflation data, all that uncertainty piling up, it's no wonder funds are playing it safe instead of diving into crypto. And fun fact, this dip started to show signs back when Trump launched his coin, his meme coin. Some even say that that was the spark that lit the bear market fuse. It's like a big flashing sign market liquidity is fragile, and it's super vulnerable to flashy moves by political celebs. CAR and Milei's coin Libra just hammered the point home. I did videos about that. They sucked up funds, liquidity, and guess who is left footing the bill? The entire crypto market. So yeah, when you look back at past cycles, every bull run was fueled by a flood of new money rushing in. This time, mainstream cash poured into Bitcoin ETF, but retail didn't show up to the party. Meanwhile, the funds already in crypto are busy slugging it out over meme coins, NFTs, and whatever else there is no moment for a big new rally. Back in the day, DeFi whales who made bank would often cycle their profits into NFTs, sparking fresh market hype. But this time, the PvP winners are cashing out for Ferraris and girlfriends. They are not sticking in the market. They are not sticking around to prop up the next big thing. That's killing the market's ability to recycle liquidity. That's very important. So the $1 million question, or $1 billion question is, are we in a bear market or a bull market? Will Bitcoin crash below 70k? I think it all boils down to liquidity and market vibes. Look at the stock market. Nasdaq's hitting all-time highs. But even a solid company like Nike's stock is getting trashed. Crypto is the same deal. Bitcoin's got ETF support. But altcoins are bleeding liquidity like crazy. From the turnover rate short-term traders are still running the show, while long-term holders are just chilling, unbothered by these prices. That tells us the market hasn't really been shaken up yet. It's more of a standoff. We are at the lowest part of this range, and this range is really getting tested now. Bitcoin price keeps wobbling downward instead of just tanking outright, and that's just quite a good news for the moment. But don't count on Bitcoin yet. Compliance is still its biggest ace in the hole. Big traditional players like Citadel Securities are stepping in as market makers, but their money trickles in slowly. It's not gonna spike the price overnight. But still, okay, what I mean is there is hope for Bitcoin. But altcoins? That's a whole messier story. In past bull runs, funds always zeroed in on the easiest breakouts like DeFi, NFTs and memes. What's next? Maybe inscriptions, maybe AI agents, who knows? One thing is for sure, the market's gonna latch onto something brand new. So yeah, altcoins, it's bad, but we have to wait for the spark and find the new hype. That gives us kind of a game plan. Make it simple. Hold onto liquidity. In a slump like this, cash is king. Don't lock all your funds into one asset. Hunt for new opportunities and share them with me. The market always cooks up fresh narratives. Wait for the real money to flow in. Then ride the wave. And that's all. Because we just need to just survive now. This market showed us more than that. So yeah, just a little motto to live by. As long as you are still breathing, there is hope. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Tell me what you think about this market crash in the comment section. Merci et au revoir.